guys, and welcome back to my channel and part 2 of how to make and add a code in Video Star. And it's going to be in Re-Effect, and the last part is coming after this, and I'm going to start doing about the update. It's going to be in parts, so stay tuned for that. And the reason I wasn't posting is because I was sick. And don't forget to follow me on my social medias, Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. And let's get started. If you watched my zoom transition video and know how to import your photo, skip to the second on the screen. So click on the plus, pick your video format. I'm gonna pick this square one and select song and then videos. And I'm gonna pick my audio and I'm gonna drag my right circle to where I want it to start. Maybe let's do here, for example. And I'm going to click on set start, and I'm going to drag it to where it's going to end or where you want it to end. Set end. So I'm just gonna use this. And the least you can do is 3 seconds. And I'm going to click on make video, import photo. And for this effect that I'm using, I need a green screen, so I did that already. I just, lined a picture of Jessie and put it on a green screen color. And I'm just going to use the whole audio, so import. I'm going to click on new, Re-Effect. I'm going to click on the plus, the search bar, and search for static. I'm going to click on it, click to the sides, click on this paintbrush right here, and I'm just going to click on the green screen. It's pretty much simple, like so simple. And then I'm going to click on it again, the bottom arrow, the arrow that's going to the bottom, and you can click on quick effects, but I'm going to show you, oh my god, this has happened to me. Okay, and I'm going to show you how to share it, and then I'm going to show you how to import it with the same effect. So I'm going to click on the code thing and then share again, and I'm going to write static, and then I'm going to click on next, save to photo library, and then done. And I'm going to do quick effects real quick, and pretty much it's going to be like a TV screen with a person in front of it. And now I'm going to show you how to import it. So the same place, I'm going to click on the code thing, import, and there will be a file called VS Presets. I literally kept saying presents. I don't know why, maybe because Christmas is near. I'm going to click on one of them. They're all the same. And make sure that it has the FX logo on the sides. The last one didn't have that. It had like layers and stuff, so make sure it has the FX marble rainbow thing. And then I'm going to click on it and click on yes, and see, it's not a problem that it does that. All you gotta do is click on the paintbrush and the green screen, and you're basically done. Quick effects, it's the same. And that's it. Hope you enjoyed and learned something from this video. And make sure to subscribe, turn on the post notification bell to all so you get notified, and give this video a big thumbs up. Bye! I love you.